Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create this website with Blogger. It's an e-commerce website. It's a simple e-commerce website with a lot of features. I've seen this website a lot of times, and I feel that my viewers or my subscribers need to understand how to create a website like this. It is very easy to create with demo content, how you could set everything up, and in fact, it comes with a full package. The link in the description below will help you build this website. So I'm going to start that in not less than 5 minutes. But first, we have to get an overview of this website. As you can see, this website comes with a clean homepage, which you can change yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the tutorial. Also, it comes with your featured setting. As you can see, the website is written this one is actually done in Indonesia. So you could actually create your own in English, whatever tribe you want or whatever language you want. So as you can see, you have your product, a lot of product, featured product, your discount, your categories. You have all of them. So now, if you click on each product, you see the description of the products. You see the description of the product. You can make payment directly. You could chat them on WhatsApp. You could share the product, and there are also recommended product. Underneath the product, you can actually make a leave review for that product and leave your comment for the product. As you can see, this is the website I'm going to be creating in not less than, let's say, 30 minutes should be done. So this is it. You could select it, you could enter your eBay, and that is done. Also, you could check your cart and see what you have there. You could also look for your category, and you could make a search around this area. As you can see, it also has a location base, which it will ask you to choose your location, but I've actually turned this off. So I blocked the location base, so they cannot track my location. I actually don't like showing my location online, so that's why. But for you, if you want this, you could actually put this on your website, and you can actually know the location of your customers, and then know the kind of product they like. So this is the website I'm going to be creating in no less than 10 minutes. It's basic and it's okay. I think this is one of the biggest e-commerce websites that is being created with Blogger I have seen so far. So I decided to create it with this tutorial. As you can see, if you go to my YouTube channel, you could see a video, a question which someone asked, asking me to do a tutorial on this Tokopedia website. So I want to do that and show you guys how to do that. So let's dive right into the tutorial. So first of all, before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as we start the tutorial. So let's start right now. So guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. The first thing you want to do is to visit blogger.com to create that website. So I already have a Blogger account, but I just want to do this for those of you who don't understand how the Blogger website functions. As you can see, when you click on blogger.com or you type in blogger.com on your browser, you'll be taken to this website, which is the Blogger website. Now, as you can see, Blogger is free. You create this website for free. You don't have to pay anything because Blogger is owned by Google. So what you want to do next is to click on create your blog or sign in. So as you click on create your blog, it's going to require you to log in with your Gmail. So Blogger works directly with your Gmail, so you have to log in with your Gmail. If you don't have a Gmail account, you're going to click on create an account. I already have my own account, so I'm not going to go with this process. I'm just showing you how to do this process. So let's assume your Gmail is josh@gmail.com. Once you do this, you're going to click on next and then put in your password. Once you put in your password, you will be taken to a page just like this. Let me minimize this. Okay, a page like this. Let me type in blogger.com. So you'll be taken to a page just like this. Let me create a new blog. So something like this will pop up on your screen. It will ask you to choose a name for your blog. So what I want to do is to choose a e-commerce website. You could call your website whatever you want. You could call your e-commerce website whatever you want. You could call it Jerry Store. Okay, let me just call it Victor Store. So you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Victor Store and click on next. Once you type in next, you're going to enter a URL for your website. Now you could change this URL to a custom URL, but for now it's going to stick with the blogspot, which is whatever name you choose. That you're going to add .blogspot.com to the end of it. so as to be able to access your website. So now let's call this Victor Store and see if it is available. As you can see underneath, it is saying sorry, this address is not available. So now you're going to look for one that is available, and then from there on you could proceed. So let's add something to it. Let me add Z to it and see if this is available. So as you can see underneath, it is saying this blog address is available. So because it is available, you want to click on save, and then it will process and create you your fresh website. So this is how it is, and now the process is done. So as you can see, this is it. So if you visit your website, it's going to look like a basic form of website with nothing on it. So this is it, guys. You can see there's nothing on it. Or you can just see it's your name, and then report our views and to view for profile. So nothing on there. So now you're going to start editing it base by base, little by little, to arrive at the website we were talking about. So the first thing you want to do, let me open a new screen, is to go to your new tab. Click on the link in the description below, guys. There's a link in the description below, which is this link. I've kept the template for you so you can download it, guys. So there's a link in the description. That's where you could download this template, which is the template we are going to be using to build this website. So this is the link. This is the demo the demo website I just showed to you guys. Now what you want to do is to click on get now. As you can see, you click on get now. So once you click on the link in the description below, you're going to see this page. You're going to be welcome with this page. Now you're going to click on get now. So you can see, you're going to click on checkout. Now it's going to require you to put in your email, your full name, and whatsoever you have there. So we're going to put in Victor. Now you're going to type in your own name, and then for email you're going to type in your email. So once you are done typing in filling these details, you're going to click on continue, and then it's going to load up, and then it's going to tell you, hi Victor, thanks for the purchase. As you can see, you will then download your file into your computer or your mobile phone. So as you can see, I just downloaded the file, and this is the file. So this is it. So I don't really need it. I already have it on my computer. So this is it. Now once you are done with that, come back to your website dashboard, click on settings. Now you already know that the template has already been downloaded, guys. So click on setting. First thing you want to do on settings is a description. You're going to give your blog a description, your website, sorry, a description that's going to enable it to rank on search engine. So for that, you want to type in the description of your website. Victor's Store is an e-commerce based website store that sells a lot, ranging from footwear to clothing to household item. Now you can write whatever you wish. This is what I want to write. Then you click on save. Once you click on save, that's done. Then you want to select your country language. Now as you can see, I'm in an English speaking country, so I use English. For you, if you're in an Arabic or Aramic or Afrikaans or whatever your language is, you're going to select it here. If you're a Chinese, you're going to select it here. So once you're done, you click on save. I'm going to leave mine as English because I'm in an English speaking country. Now if you want to be posting selling adult content, you're going to click here and type it on. Now if you want people to confirm their age before they can access your website, you're going to type it here because you are using adult content. The next thing you want to do is to generate a favicon for your website. Now favicon are simply those little icons you see on your browser or the top of your browser. Those are called favicon. Now how do you generate favicon? Just go to a website called favicon, or go to Google and type in favicon generator. Now once you type in favicon generator, it's going to open this website for you, which is the best and which is the one I've been using for years, favicon.io. You're going to click on it. It's going to take you to this website. Now what you want to do next, you're going to type in, if you have an image for your e-commerce store, you're going to type in the image part. But I don't have an image. I'm going to be using a free text to ICO. You can also use an emoji, but I prefer this text. So you're going to type in touch the text, click on close. Now for our blog, we call this Victor Store. So because it's Victor, it started with a V, so I'm going to type in V. Now the template has a green color, and I'm going to leave it like that. I would prefer the green color, so let me use this green. I think this is okay, or this. Okay, this is okay. Now, do you want your favicon to be rounded, square, or circular? I prefer the circular. So as you can see, this is it, a preview of it. So do you want to use this font? Whichever font you want, you can use it. Let's say the lingua pattern. As you can see, this is it. This is the V. So I think this V is okay. Now, do you want it to be normal, regular, medium, normal, semi bold, or whatever? So as you can see, this is okay. Then size, let's increase the size a bit. So let's make it 50. And see, as you can see, it is quite big. Now what you want to do next is to click on download. Now it's going to download into your computer or your phone. Now once it is downloaded, you want to go to where it is on your laptop or on your mobile phone. That's after you are done downloading it. Now I'm going to cut it because I have a lot of files, so I don't want it to get missing. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it here. From here I'm going to extract it. So let's extract it. Now it has been extracted. This is it. So I'm going to select one which is perfect for my website. I think this will be okay. So let me go back to my website. Click on the favicon. Now once you click on favicon, choose file. Now let me go to where I save the file, which you have to locate the file. Click on this one. Click on open. Now once it's open, it's going to show up here. Then you're going to click on save. Now it has been saved. Now we finally have a favicon on our website. Now if you go back to the website and refresh the website, you're going to see the favicon on the top bar because it has been set. The next part you want to do is to leave this turn on. You want it to be visible to search engine at every time. You want the website to always be visible to search engine whenever you want to access it. So you want people to find it through Google and any other type of search engine they want. So that is how you turn it on. If you turn it off, people cannot access it through Google. They can't find your website through Google. So that is why you need to turn it on at every time. The next part is the blog address. Now, if you made a mistake of typing the blog address when you were setting it up, you could change that from this area. As you can see, you could change it here, click on it, and then type in a new name which you want. Well, I like the name I choose, so I'm going to leave it like this. So click on cancel. Now, if you want to finally purchase a domain name for this your website, for this your e-commerce website, you're going to come here, click on custom domain. You could either buy a domain name from Google or click on the link in the description and you get a perfect domain name from the link in the description, which you can use to link to this part. I'm going to create a video on how you can add that to this, but for now let's stick with this. So by the way guys, if you want me to create a certain video which I don't have on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to use the comments area and then tell me that you need a video on so and so topic, because a lot of people do that and I end up creating the video for them. So if you want, you could still be part of those people and then tell me that you need so and so video and I'll create it for you. Now the next part you need to go with is your HTTPS redirect. Now as you all know, HTTPS simply means a secure protocol for your website. So sometimes when your website is not secure, you're going to see that the X is going to be removed from it. It's going to just be HTTP. So you want to turn this on so that your website will be secure. Now also, I forgot one thing. If you want to redirect your domain name from here to another domain, you're going to turn this on. As you can see, it has been turned off automatically because I don't have a custom domain. After that, you have your blog admin. You could add more people as author of your website and admin. So if you want a lot of people to be managing this website, you could just let them know and then add them as admin to the website. Now pending author, you could also add some pending author, once you add an author from that area, it's going to show up here. If they has not accepted it, it's going to show up here. If they have accepted it, it's going to show up here. You can also invite more author. You could add some reader access, custom readers. These are not really important. Now you have a max post. Maximum post is the number of posts you want to be shown on your home page. As you can see, I like this to be a lot, so sometimes I make it 50 or 100. So it's all depending on you which you want to make it. So now let's make it 50. Now archive frequency, automatically this is turned off, so you don't really need it. Post template is actually optional, you don't really need it. Image lightbox, you want to turn this on. Now comment location, do you want people to actually comment via their location? So once they comment, you're going to see their location. You're going to turn this full page pop-up window, or you're going to hide it. As you can see, it's embedded, it's automatic. Who can comment? Do you want people, only people with Google accounts that can comment, or do you want anyone to be able to comment on your product? So the next part, guys, is comment moderation. Do you want to moderate your comments so that when people comment on your website, you can either accept it or reject it? So this is where you do that. So guys, for all these other ones, they are automatically turned off by Google. Now your email, do you want people to post using email disabled, which is not advisable, so that your email will not be leaked? So a lot of things here, guys, are not really important for you. Your formatting time zone, if you want to change your time zone, they are not. Now what you want to do now is to turn on this meta description. This is for your SEO purpose. So once you turn on meta description, you can add what you want your website to be located for on Google. So now if you type in, let's go to Google and type in, let me open a new tab and type in blogger e-commerce store. Now once you type this in, as you can see, a lot of websites are going to pop up. Now why do they rank on this keyword? As you can see underneath, it's going to see something titled as meta, this little text here, it is called meta description. That is the reason they rank higher on this page. As you can see, this one is blogger e-commerce. It started with blogger e-commerce, and it also has blogger website on it. And as you can see, it has blogger and then it has store. So that is why they rank first on it, because the keyword you're searching on, they actually have it on their meta description. So now if you add your meta description to your website right here, yours is still going to rank on Google. So what do you want yours to rank for? So I think I prefer this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and then edit it and use it for my own. So blogger e-commerce, start selling on your blogger website with, then put in my store name, Victor. So Victor e-commerce, Victor store. Okay, this is how far I can. You can create a blogger online store in just few steps. It is free and easy. So once you are done, you're going to click save. That is done. Then if you have a custom 404 error, but since you are creating your website for the first time, you shouldn't have any error, so you're going to leave this just as it is. Then Cora, do you want to enable robot txt? It is very, very important to enable this. Then you're going to set this up, which I'm going to set up in another tutorial. So enable custom robot header tag. This is if you want to. Now Google Search Console. Google Search Console is simply linking your website to Google. So once you are done creating everything, you want to link it to Google. Now I'm going to take you there, but for now let's just stick with this. Now enable custom ads.txt. Do you want your website to display ads? If yes, you could turn this on, but if no, you could turn it off. But since we are building an e-commerce website, I really don't need ads, a third-party ads from this place. So if you want to use a third-party ad, just copy your third-party ads code and display it here, and then it will be displayed on your Blogger website. A lot of people don't know that this feature actually exists in Blogger, but it actually exists. So what you want to do is to copy the your ads code and paste it here, and then your ad will start displaying on your website. But because I'm actually going to make money from this website, I don't want it to be distracting. I'm going to turn this off. Now as you can see, I already have a website on my on my search console. So to add your own website, you're going to click on add property. Now are you using a domain or a subdomain? So since we are using Blogger, I'm going to copy the Blogger name, the website name. I'm going to copy it, come back here, I'm going to paste it here. Now once I paste it, it's going to say continue and it will verify, and that is all. So you really don't need a lot of tutorial on this. So let me just do this, click on continue. Now it's going to verify that the website belongs to me. As you can see, ownership, auto verify, go to property. So as you can see, this is my website. It is very, very simple. You don't have to do a lot of work on it. It is simple. So the next thing you want to do is to put in your sitemap, which is your Blogger sitemap. You could just go to Google and type in Blogger sitemap generator. So let me show you how that is done. So you're going to use this. This is the one I mainly use. So you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to paste the name of your website on this box, and it's going to generate a sitemap for you. Now click on generate XML sitemap. So as you can see, this is your sitemap. So you're going to copy your sitemap. So you see, click, the next is to submit your sitemap to Google, and click here to generate on that sitemap. So you can either submit your sitemap, which they give you a tutorial on how to do this just in case you don't know. But as you can see, this is your sitemap. It has already been created. So here is how you can upload it on Google, on your on the Google search console. As you can see, copy it, go to your sitemap, on your search console, paste it there, and then click on save change. Once you are done, that is it. So you don't need to do a lot of things. So what do? Just copy the code here. Just copy everything. Sorry, which is this. Just copy it. Then you go back to your sitemap, look for your search console, which they actually did on that tutorial. Then you paste it. So let me look for it. Crawler and index. Okay, crawler and index. I think that I have passed that. Crawler and indexed. Okay, so let's see. Then you look for the custom robot txt file. So you go to the custom robot txt file, and then you paste it here and save. That is all you need to do, and you are done. So that's it, guys. So Google will start showing you analytics from your website on this area. So you are done with that, guys. So that is how to set that up. Now once that is done, the next part you want to do is to you can import your demo content if you want to. You can back up your website. You could add videos from your blog. You could you could delete your website totally. So that is that. Now what we want to do next, simply because we already downloaded our template, is to come to our theme. Now this theme, Google give you a lot of theme, or Blogger gives you a lot of theme to choose from. So you could actually choose from any of these templates if you want. So there are a lot of them. Let me show you something, guys. If you select any of them here, it's going to reflect on your website. So let me select this, then let me apply this. So let me show you how it looks like. This is how our website looked before. Now let's go back. Okay, let's apply it. As you can see, new theme has been applied successfully. Now if we refresh our website, you're going to see the changes. This is how our website look right now. So guys, everything you do there, they all reflect on this page. So now let's go back to our theme. On the top, you're going to see a drop down. If you click on the drop down, right here you could customize this template if you want to, but I simply don't like the template Blogger gives. They are simply old and they don't represent a lot of the website we want to create these days. So what you want to do is to click on this drop down. Now if you want to back up your website, you can click on backup. If you want to restore a template or add a template, you can use this. If you want to switch to first generation classic theme, you can use this. If you want to edit your template, you can use this. Now if you want to set your website so that it can be different from your mobile phone views, you can use this. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on restore for me. So click on upload. Now this is the template I have. I already extracted it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on ODR. I'm going to click on open. Now as you can see down here, it's going to restore theme, and now it's going to tell us theme restored successfully. Now what I want to do is to click on mobile setting and ensure that what I have on my desktop is what I'm going to be showing on my mobile device. Do you want to show the desktop or mobile theme on this device? Mobile, yes. So let's see desktop theme, and then click on save. So both desktop and mobile, I'm going to be showing the same template. As you can see, if we come to our website and refresh it, we're going to have this design with nothing on it. How beautiful this is, guys. As you can see, this is our beautiful website with a lot of features. It comes with a lot of features, guys. Now what you want to do next is to go back to your website. Now go back to your settings. As you can remember, I showed you a place which you can import demo content. So if you click on the link in the description and download this content, you're going to see the demo content for this tutorial, for this which I use for this tutorial. So you're going to click on import content. Now click on import. Now the first content you want to import is your posting. So you want to import the demo post which was already written. Now once that is done, you want to click on import again. Click on import. Then you want to go back, click on the demo products which they already have. So which they created for us in this tutorial. So now, once that is imported, you go back to your website. Now if you view your website, you're going to see you have product on your website. Let's refresh this. Okay, as you can see, these are some of the products we have on our website. So as you can see, a lot of all these has been set for you. You don't have to do anything, guys. It is very easy. You can see you can view details instantly. Now as you can see, here it's your WhatsApp chat, here is your phone number to be called, and here it's your send SMS. Now let's start updating each of these things one after the other, so we can continue with the process. Now if you want to link this to your Paystack account, PayPal account, whatever payment setting you are using, you can do that from this area. So I'm going to show you how to do all those things. For now, let me show you how to edit this part. As you can see, this WhatsApp chat, this is a phone number, this is an SMS. Where do you want each of these to go link to? So now to look for that, first of all, let's go to our layout page. Now let's scroll downward to our layout. As you can see, let's first of all remove this. Sorry guys, let's remove this. I really don't like this and I really don't like this, so let's remove this on the sidebar. Let's leave the label, remove the about me, remove the report abuse, and then we could start editing each of them. So if you want to put AdSense code on your sidebar, this is where you put the AdSense code. This is under AdSense code. Now blog archive. See this part, I want to turn this up, I really don't like this, so let me remove this. Attribution, which is the blogger image we just seen, let me remove this. So guys, if this tutorial is getting too long for you, you can pause the video and then continue later on, or you can download it and watch it on your free time. Now report abuse, you want to remove this, remove. Okay, then if you are just like me, you don't want your about me to be on your website, just click on remove also and then turn that off. So these are the little things I want to leave. Now this is your payment page. Now if you want to edit this is where you do that. So guys, remember we spoke about removing your phone number, your WhatsApp message, and a lot of things. So this email, let me show you. Go back to your website. As you can see, this is where the phone number is and this is where the SMS is. So right here you could change it from this area. So you could add your phone number here, you could add your phone number here for WhatsApp, then you could add your email here. So all these are the codes that has to do with this WhatsApp button, your phone number, and your SMS. Also, if you don't want to do it from this area, I'm going to show you another part which you can do it from. So as you can see right here, you could also edit some of the settings. Each of them comes with different with their own setting. So you could remove them from this area, edit all of them from this part. It's very easy guys, it's very easy. You could also set your featured image. So as you can see, now a lot of these are written in I think is what's it called, Persian language or so. I really don't know, but what you can do is to change a lot of them to your own language. How do you do that? Just go to Google, copy the whatever you see here. But I understand that this is a link to an image which display on the gallery, which is image, this image here. This is the image that display on the will I say related post area. So that is it. So this is it. So I really don't need to remove this. So now you could edit your post, edit your label, edit everything on this part. You could edit your menu. As you can see, let's go back to the home page. You want to remove this logo and put in your own logo. So this logo, Tokopedia, you want to remove it. So how do you do that? Come up here, click on edit. As you can see, this is the image they currently use. So how do you create an image for your own website? Let's go to canva.com. Now if we go to canva.com, you want to look for logos, logo design. Let me just type in logo, click on search, and it's going to give you a lot of logo design which you want or which you can choose from. So let's make use of something simple, something very simple. and free. So what you want to do is to scroll downward here and type in free, click on the free tab, and it's going to display just free logo for you. So this, I don't like this. I think this is okay, this is perfect. So guys, what you want to do is to click on customize this template, and Canva is going to give you a editor's area where you can edit your template. This is very easy, guys. You don't have to stress yourself on like the normal Corel Draw, which a lot of people do. You just have to do the basic one. So I'm going to use this first one. So the name of my website is Vitor Store. So I'm going to say VSTORE. Now I'm going to reduce the size so that it can be on a straight line. So I'm going to type in e-commerce. So this is it. It's very simple, guys. So what you want to do next is to click on this share button, scroll down, click on download, and it's going to download. Now once it downloads, remember this image comes with a background. So what you want to do next is to remove the background. So what you want to do is to go to a website called remove.bg. So remove.bg. So now you want to drag this image and put it on this website, and it's going to help you to remove the background of this image. So as you can see, we already have our VStore, and then this is the image we are using. Now let me put the image in a place I can actually locate it, because I have a lot of file on my computer. So this is it. Let me cut it and move it to a place I can easily find it. So let me paste it here. Now please, if you are enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. I will really appreciate. Just give me a thumbs up, like this video. Please don't forget to like this video and then give me a thumbs up. So once that is done, you want to go back to your website, click on upload image from computer, select the choose file area, then let's go back to where we have our files saved. This is it. Now let's open it. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. As you can see, this is the image. So if we save it, if we go back to our website to refresh it, you're going to see that our logo is going to change. As you can see, it's quite small. So we could increase the size by going to our computer or our file manager, then clicking on edit with whichever software you're using. I'm going to use Paint for this one, which is the basic one everyone has on their computer. I'm going to click on resize, on cropped. I'm going to crop this image, click on crop. This is the rectangle part. We'll move it here. For these other parts, I'm going to try to move it to enable it as small as possible. Okay. Sorry about that. This is one of the basic ones, so I'm not so good with it, but I'm just going to use it for this tutorial. So now I'm going to open it. Okay, this is what I need. I'm going to click on crop. Wow, I think I made the mistake. So let me try that again. Then you open this up, then click on crop. Wow. So let me try that again, guys. I've been using this for years and I still don't know how to use it basically. This is it. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to size it, no. Let me not just waste my time. Let me just use the rectangle part. See, um okay guys, I simply have forgotten how to use this software. um okay, I think this is it. Yes, finally figure it guys. So this is it. Let's make it a bit bigger. Sorry, let me increase it. Let's crop it. So let's do it again. Wow, I've simply forgotten how to use this software guys. It has been a long time, so let me see if I can still find it. Let me pause this video and look for it guys, then I'll play it later on. So guys, this took me a lot of time to figure out. Actually, I've been using this software for a lot of time, and for some time ago, like some months ago, so I stopped using it. That's why I actually forgot how to do this. So now what I just need to do is to click on click on rectangle selection, then select the image you want. This is it. Once you are done, then click on cropped. So this is it. Then you control save, which is control X, or you come here, click on file, then click on save, and you are done. So now I'm going to cancel this, go back to my website, click on the header. Now come down here, click on choose upload image from computer, click on choose file. Then that same image, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to put it here. As you can see now, it will now be a bit smaller. Now it is quite small, and they click on save. So if it's very small here, then it should be bigger here. So guys, this is it. It's quite bigger. It's bigger than before. So you could use whatever you want. It's okay for me. This is okay for me. So the next part you want to do guys, I've showed you guys how to change the link. I've showed you guys. Okay, now someone was actually making inquiries on how do you change these prices. So if you go back to your post, let's go back to your post. Let's go back to each of the posts one after the other, and then look for the prices on each of them. So now if you go to your post tab, you're going to see all your posts right here. So as you can see, for this one, which we actually saw before, which is this one, as you can see, if you go to it now, it is all written in HTML view. Click on composite view, and it's going to take you directly to it. As you can see, each of these products first contain their image. As you can see, it contains the image and then the price, which is this one, which is the price you actually used. And how will I put it down? The price you're not using, then you put in your main price. As you can see, you put in your main price, then you put in your product details. It's quite easy. So for I really can't remember, but I will have to go back to my YouTube channel to check for the person that actually made an inquiry about how do you put prices. Now you could actually change this to your country, so to your country's currency. So if you are using Nigeria, you could change this to NGN. If whatever currency you are using, you could change this to it. So guys, that's it. I think we've covered a lot of things. I've covered the post, I've covered how to change the post title. So this sharing button are actually automatic. Which other thing have I not covered again guys? So these editings and all this, so I showed you where to change this email and this one. So these one are all categories in your website. These are categories. These are the about us page. As you can see, they are linked to each pages on your website. So what you can actually do is to start changing them. So if you remember, on our layout page, the last part, which is this, is what you have here. So you could come back here and start changing each of them by clicking on it. Now after creating the post, you're going to type the title here, put in the link here. Now supposing this is our about us page, let's look for something. Let's assume this is our about us page. You're going to copy the link, come back here, in this place that they put hashtag, you're going to paste the link and then click on save. Now let's go back to our website and refresh it. Now on the About Us page, as you can see, it's linked to that post we copied. As you can see, it is linked to it. So that is how you post in your link. Now let me explain this on the left hand side. What we have here, first you have your post. This is where you post your product, give your product your tag, your category, and this is where you manage your categories or your post and delete the ones you want to delete. The next is your statistics. This is the number of people or visitors you have in your website. So currently we have 8 visitors, and this is our latest post. So this is it. Now the next part, you have your comment. If anybody comments on your website, you're going to see them on this part. The next part, you have your earnings. Now remember, I told you people that if you want to use, you could actually use that a custom ads monetization means by connecting it to your AdSense. But from here on, if you don't want to use any other third-party ad, you could just connect this to Google AdSense and make use of Google AdSense. But I simply don't like using Google AdSense on an e-commerce website because it's going to make the website slow and then it's going to drive out users. The next part is your page. This page here, this is where you create your About Us page, your Contact Us page, and your privacy policy. So let me show you how. Let's create your privacy policy. Now I want to go to Google and type in privacy policy generator. So please guys, let me go to my channel. So this is it. I'm on my 299 subscriber. Please be my 300 subscriber and please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. So next you have here free privacy policy generator. Click on it. Now you want to generate a privacy policy for your website. Click on generate free privacy policy. Now click on website and then next. Type in your website URL. Let me copy the URL of our website. Go back and then paste it here. Then what is your site name? I'm going to call it Victor. So guys, this is I'm an individual. Set your country, set your state. I'm going to pick any state and then click on next. So please guys, to support me, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. What do you take? I just take email, name and phone number and addresses because I need them for my delivery purposes. How can users contact you? By email. State your company email. Let's say Victor. So you type that in, click on next. So every other thing, no, I don't want a professional privacy policy. Click on next. Type in your email if you want to. Once that is done, generate free privacy policy. Now it's going to generate you a privacy policy that you're going to use for your website. So this is your privacy policy, guys. It has been generated. You just have to do is to copy this to clipboard, go back to your website, click on this pencil here, click on HTML view, remove this one that you already have here, then you paste what you just copied and then click on. Then your search description, you want to enable that your website rank or search. So you're going to type in something that could enable your website rank. Victor Store privacy Once you write in, type in something that can enable your website rank. You want to allow people to comment or not. So I want to disallow comments because this is a privacy policy page and it doesn't require comments. Now I click on publish, confirm. Now as you can see, if you preview this, this is how it looks like. See, this is your privacy policy page. This is it, guys. This is it. Very, very simple. So with this, you could get your AdSense approval in not less than minutes. So now go back to your page. Let's go back. Now you're going to copy this link. Remember, I showed you that you paste the link somewhere in your layout area. So you're going to copy the link, scroll downward, click on this part. Now look for privacy policy. This is privacy policy. Now paste the link in this part where they put hash. Then you click on save. Now if we go back to our website, let's go back to our website, refresh it. Now if you come down to privacy policy, click on it. As you can see, it's going to take you directly to the privacy policy which you just created for your website. So this is it, guys. This is it. It's your privacy policy. So that's that, guys. That has been done. Now this other part, which is download templates, start shopping, I'm going to show you how to edit it in minutes. So now this is your theme. We have gone through this place. Also, you can customize your theme if you are into programming, clicking on edit HTML, and then you can start doing that. We have done with settings. So guys, that is that for that. Now let's go to edit HTML and let me show you how you can change a lot of those settings on the website. So now you go to your website, you see this part, download these templates, download templates. You're just going to look for it on your website. So click on Ctrl F, guys, then click on download, then you're going to search. So as you can see, this is it, download template. Now you want to change it to something like contact us. Now you're going to copy your contact us link. Let's see if we have a contact us link already. We don't have. Okay, let's change it to privacy policy. Copy the link. So you could change it to contact us or privacy policy. So I'm going to paste it here. Call this privacy policy. Once you are done, then you want to look at the rest and edit the rest of them. Start shopping, promo, help center. So these are okay. All you just have to do is to change the link. As you can see, start shopping, put in your link here, promo, put in your link here, help center, put in your link here, and that is that, guys. Once you are done, you want to click on this icon, which is click on save, and then you have your website. It is simply easy, guys. So now this is our website. As you can see, this is going to change to privacy policy. So guys, that is how easy it is to create a store on Blogger. So let's review it again. Now if someone had something to their cart, it's going to show up here. If they have a notification, it's going to show up here. If they have a message, it's going to show up here. So the people can contact you through this area. Then people can, if they add product to their cart, they get a notification on this area. So all these other things like the banner, you could change them. How do you change them? Copy image URL or open the image URL in a new tab. Now it's going to show you where the image is. This is the image, and then you're going to look for the image on your Blogger website. So how do you look for it? I'm going to copy this part. Let me copy this part. I'm going to copy this part. First of all, you create an image like this, upload it on your page. Create a private page and upload it so that the link is going to be pulling the image from that page. Now let's find this link. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, this is the image, guys. As you can see, where is it? Where is it? I saw it. Okay, this is the image, guys. So this is the image. So all you just have to do is to upload your image on a page and then replace this link with the image of your link, and you'll be done. I guess that's the wrap of this tutorial, guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a playlist called Blogger, which you can see everything you want to do in Blogger. As you can see, let's go to Blogger. Okay, this is it, Google Blogger website. So you have a playlist there that's going to teach you everything you want about a Blogger website. So everything you want on a Blogger website, they are all on this playlist. So as you can see, let me cancel this. So you have everything, a lot of videos on the playlist, so you could look for them. And I also have other playlists that could entice you or catch your attention. So at the end of the day, guys, we're able to come up with this website. Also categories and tags, I never showed you guys how to upload that. So go to your post. So these are your categories. As you can see, this is the categories for this post. See, these are the categories. You could actually add some. How do you do that? Click on create a new post. Once you are done, type in the title, adding your image, adding your price tag, and every other thing. Here you want to type in, this is it. If you want to add in a new category, you can add it from this area. So that is it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the website we ended up creating. So as you can see, this is it. You have a lot of product on it. You can add more products. You have your feature product. Each of these things can be edited Also, let me show you guys before I miss this step out. You copy it, go back to your website, go to your template, go to edit HTML. On this part, Control F, you want to find it, paste that product, paste that words, and then you click on search, and it's going to look for the words for you. So let's see. Okay, Control find. If it is not here, guys, if you can't find it here, you go to your layout and then look for it on your layout area. So it's gonna be among one of these, so you just have to look for it, guys, and then update it. So guys, that is all for this. It has been a very long tutorial, and please, I want your subscribe and I want your like, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. So guys, I'll see you on my next tutorial. Also, I did a previous tutorial before on an e-commerce blogger website. So this is it. I has 4.4k views, and I did it 9 months ago. So you could actually watch it if you want to learn about how to do this. So guys, I will see you on my next tutorial, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful weekend and enjoy your day.